Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, just a quick recap on how my lawn is doing since it's been exactly 1 week since I have sprayed that weed killer by Halo and Celsius. Now, the results aren't too earth-shattering, just a little bit of yellowing. Some yellowing on the St. Augustine grass, and definitely some yellowing on the actual weeds, but not enough to show any sort of death, more so weakening, if that makes sense. So, as you can see, I have quite a bit, and I mean quite a bit, that's an understatement, of doveweed. Look at all this doveweed, it's just carpeting everywhere. Pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong with this, but I'm pretty sure this is doveweed. The sedge, it's all yellowed out, most of it is withered away. But the doveweed, I think this is gonna be my arch nemesis. It's everywhere, folks. Now, the good news is, it is a lime yellow green, so I would imagine that it's definitely weakened. But it looks like we're gonna have to do a part two follow-up to this. And this time, when I spray, I'm gonna mix 1 gallon of water versus 2 gallons of water with 2 of those packets. When I say 2 of the packets, I'm talking 1 packet of Halo, 1 packet of Celsius, in 1 gallon of water to give it a supercharged high rate. And then I'm gonna do 1 more round spot spraying, and I will follow up again with you folks. Now, something to understand. Celsius and Halo work extremely slow. And when I say extremely slow, I'm saying anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks that you should actually see real results of death. So, we've only had 1 week, right? I need to be patient. We all need to be patient. But that's not going to stop me from doing 2.0, another round of this bad boy. Just because of the level of how much I have in this doveweed. Patches of doveweed everywhere. In the meantime, I'm not sitting idle. Right now, you're gonna see, I'm gonna start getting some Black Kow, folks. Black Kow is a great soil amendment because not only do I have weeds in those patched areas, but I also have dead, thatchy, dried out grass, dried out dead thatch and soil. So, I'm not sitting idle, folks. Not idle one bit. I am gonna put down multiple bags of Black Kow. It's a good idea to put 1 to 2 inches Black Kow into your lawn. It's a good idea to do this every year, every couple of years, if you have these dried out, patched areas, such as what I'm showing you and what I'm talking about. So, you're gonna see how rich that soil is, that manure, that compost, whatever you wanna call it. It is packed with nutrients. And what's cool is when you put plugs or sod, or even if you don't do plugs and sod and you just put down some of that Black Kow, you're gonna see in pretty short amount of time, over the next course of the weeks, you're gonna see that St. Augustine, the rhizomes and the stolons start filling in nice and greening up. Because I'm tired of this this chlorosis or whatever you want to call it, but the yellowing right in the grass. So let's amend the soil, folks. Let's get to it. Now, if you so choose, you can use whatever topsoil or amendment that you want, right? But you know what? After all the years of trial and error, this one is by far my favorite. Here's that patch in the backyard that I've always had trouble with. I don't have weeds, I don't have rocks, I don't have bugs. I dug, I checked it out, right? But that patch did not get better. And by God, look what happened to my plugs that I put in. Well, we're gonna fix that, folks. Look at how rich this is. It is packed full of nutrients. One thing I advise, no matter what kind of topsoil or amendment you put in, dear God, water it in that same day. Water it in, keep it nice and moist. Let it activate itself. Now I'm using my handy dandy rake and a push broom. That's all you need, folks. A rake and a push broom. Use the backside of the rake. Look at how easy it is to break up It's so smooth and fluffy, and it's so easy to spread. It spreads like peanut butter, even easier than peanut butter, like jelly. Well, in the comments below, let me know how you amend your soil. Let me know what kind of problems or challenges you have in your lawn. In my case, it's a thick, beautiful St. Augustine lawn, but it's not without its challenges and problems. So, do yourself a favor and amend that soil. Let me know if this video was beneficial in any way to you.